Good morning, children. How are you all? Happy in house? Studying proper? Doing your homework? Good. Read proper? Okay? Okay, children. Today we will start our new lesson. Lesson 6. Lesson name is चिट्ठी का सफर. Safar means travel. Safar means travel. This is not a English safar. This is Hindi safar. Safar means travel. Chitti. What is chitti? Chitti means letter. Chitti means letter. Okay. So in this lesson we will say the story of letters. How letter has started. Okay. You know the letter, na? Someone will, nowadays electronic letter is there. Beginning letter will come. So maybe sometime in your house some letter is coming. Postman will come. He will give, okay, some parcel, some letter, postcard. So that is letter. Okay, that is the written way of communication. You are sending message to someone else. Okay, I'll read and I'll translate for you as usual. Lesson name चिट्ठी का सफर. Travel of letters. अपनी 10-12 साल की जिंदगी में तुमने कुछ पत्र तो लिखे ही होंगे. Means your 10 to 12 year life, because a writer is talking to you people. Means some children will be 10 year, 11 year, 12 year in grade 5, right? So that is your age, 10 to 12 year. Between all will be 10 to 12 year. So maybe you have written some letter, like your application you are writing when you are absent in school. If you are going somewhere, you are sick leave, that is also a type of letter. So you are writing, you know how to write the letter. Okay, so same thing here they are saying. अपनी 10-12 साल की जिंदगी में तुमने कुछ पत्र तो लिखे ही होंगे. वे पत्र अपने सही पते और समय पर किस तरह पहुंचे होंगे. That letters when you are writing and putting post, how on correct address and correct time it has reached. यह बहुत सी बातों पर निर्भर करता है. It depends on lot of things. जैसे कि चिट्ठी किस स्थान से किस स्थान पर भेजी जा रही है. That letter, which place to which place you are sending. संदेश पहुंचाने की कितनी जल्दी है. हाउ फास्ट यू वांट टू सेंड योर लेटर टू कंसर्न पर्सन. तुमने पूरा और ठीक पता लिखा है कि नहीं. यू हैव रिटन प्रॉपर एंड फुल एड्रेस और नॉट. तुमने उस पर डाक टिकट लगाया है कि नहीं. डिड यू पुट डाक टिकट ऑन द मीन्स स्टैम्प पेपर. स्टैम्प इज देयर ना, यू नो स्टैम्प. On letter some stamp will be there. Did you put or not? आदि. अब प्रश्न यह उठते हैं कि आखिर चिट्ठी पर डाक टिकट लगाया ही क्यों जाता है. Why we are putting डाक टिकट? Why we are putting stamp on the letter? पूरे और ठीक पते से क्या मतलब है. Full and correct address. What is the meaning? जरूरत पड़ने पर संदेश को जल्दी कैसे पहुंचाया जाए. इफ इट इज नेसेसरी, हाउ यू विल सेंड योर लेटर फास्ट. स्थान बदलने से चिट्ठी के पहुंचने पर क्या असर पड़ता है. इफ योर एड्रेस हैज चेंज एंड अदर पीपल आर गेटिंग योर लेटर, व्हाट विल बी द इम्पैक्ट. इनमें से कुछ सवालों के जवाब शायद तुम्हारे पास हों. मे बी इन दिस क्वेश्चन सम आंसर यू आर हैविंग. खासकर तुम में से उनके पास जो डाक टिकटें इकट्ठा करने का शौक रखते हैं. सम पीपल आर हैविंग अ फॉन्ड ऑफ टू कीप स्टैम्प पेपर. सम पीपल लाइक टू कीप दैट स्टैम्प पेपर. ओके, इन सवालों के जवाबों के लिए जरा नीचे दिए गए लिफाफों को गौर से देखो. दोनों पतों की दी गई जगह में लिखो. Okay, down some letter is there and see carefully how that letter is written. Okay, okay children, on screen you can see there are two letters. One is black and white and one is yellow color. On black and white, some stamp is there. You can see some seal is there. Express deliver, it's written there. And in Hindi it's written there, Mahatma Gandhi, jahan ho wahan, Wardha. Okay, in English it's written there Wardha. Wardha is a place. So this letter has, this white color letter has written to Mahatma Gandhi. As you all know, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, jahan ho wahan, what is the meaning? Means wherever you are, this letter should go there. How letter will know where he has to go? Because there is no address. How this letter will reach to Mahatma Gandhi or any person? Jahan ho wahan means we don't know where he is. There is no particular address. Maybe today he is here, tomorrow he has gone some other place. So how that letter will go there? Second letter you see, yellow color letter. In this it's written there, Shriman Nirdesak Mahoday, राष्ट्रीय शैक्षणिक अनुसंधान एवं प्रशिक्षण परिषद, अरविंद मार्ग. ओके, एंड मार्ग नई दिल्ली 110016 पिन नंबर इज देयर and one stamp is there and black color seal is there on that. Okay, so what is that? One letter they are saying wherever you are, send him there. Wherever Gandhiji is there, send this letter to there. And one letter proper address is there, to whom you are sending, which department they are sending, and where is that office, and that office is which place, and what is that area pin code number. Okay, so see the differences of that letter. ये दोनों पते किस तरह से भिन्न हैं? See, on that two letter, both address is totally different. गांधी जी को भेजे गए पत्र में पते की जगह पर लिखा है महात्मा गांधी, जहां हो वहां, वर्धा. Means someone has written the letter to Mahatma Gandhi and it's written there, wherever you are, send this letter to there. And who has written this letter? He belongs from Wardha, that is a place. जबकि लिफाफे पर इमारत या संस्थान से लेके शहर तक का नाम लिखा हुआ है. एंड अदर लेटर, which building is there, which city is there, to whom we have to send that letter, and area, pin code, everything is written there. पते में सबसे छोटी भौगोलिक इकाई से शुरू करके बड़ी की ओर बढ़े हैं. So in that yellow color letter, small address till big address they have written. Small means what is your house number. After that, what is your street number, what is your town name, what is your city name, what is that state, and what is that state pin code is there, everything is written there. Okay, मतलब यह हुआ कि घर के नंबर के बाद गली मोहल्ले का नाम, फिर गांव का नाम, शहर का नाम, उसका नाम, फिर गांव या शहर का नाम. शहर के नाम के बाद लिखे अंक को पिन कोड कहते हैं. सो एज आई ट्रांसलेट यू इन इंग्लिश, एवरीथिंग इज रिटन देयर, इवन सिटी पिन कोड आल्सो इज देयर. पिन कोड मीन्स पोस्टल इंडेक्स नंबर. हर जगह को एक पिन कोड दिया गया है. एवरी सिटी इज हैविंग अ डिफरेंट पिन कोड. यह सोचने लायक बात है कि आखिर पिन कोड की जरूरत क्या है. This we have to think, understand why pin code is necessary. हमारे देश में अनेक ऐसे कस्बे, गांव, शहर हैं जिनके नाम एक जैसे हैं. So in our country, lot of village, town or city is same. They are having the same name. पते के बाद पिन कोड लिखने से गंतव्य स्थान का पता लगाने में डाक छांटने वाले कर्मचारियों को मदद मिलती है और पत्र जल्दी बांटे जा सकते हैं. सो when we are writing the pin code, postman, when they are segregating the letters, it is easy for them to identify which area and which city that letter is there. Maybe the two city or two place name is same, but if pin code is correct, they can identify which city दिस एड्रेस इज देयर. ओके चिल्ड्रन. पिन कोड की शुरुआत 15 अगस्त 1972 को डाक तार विभाग ने पोस्टल नंबर योजना के नाम से की. सो व्हेन पिन कोड हैज स्टार्ट in later when pin code has start 15th August 1972 postal department has started this pin code. जाहिर है कि गांधी जी को मिले इस पत्र और उन्हें मिले किसी भी पत्र पर पिन कोड नहीं है. So now you understand that letter, white color letter, what was written that time to Gandhi ji, that time pin code was not there. Okay, pin code system was not there. So इस्तेमाल नहीं किया गया था. फर्क सिर्फ पिन कोड का ही नहीं है. समय के साथ डाक सेवाओं में निरंतर बदलाव और विकास होता रहता है. So as per time, different type, different thing in postal service, it's changing. In picture now you can see some stamp paper is there. Different stamps are there. Lot of people is having, they love to keep this stamp. So all new collection what were from postal service, now what new stamp ticket will come, now people are collecting. Okay, so here some example is there, means stamp is like that. Okay, you can see how it is there, that only, and what number is written there, that is the value. 3 means 3 rupee, 15 means 15 rupee, 1 means 1 rupee. So that is their value. बहुत पुराने समय में कबूतरों के द्वारा संदेश भेजे जाते थे. When paper was not there, when paper was not invented and people want to give some message or ink was not there, people will send the pigeon. They will tie some message on their neck and that pigeons are trained to send the message they will use. जब संदेहवाहक कबूतरों की बात हो रही है तो इंसानों की बात कैसे न हो, जो ऐसे समय से डाक पहुंचाने का काम कर रहे हैं. Beginning time when transport was not there and people has to send the message, so how they will send the message? So some people was there who can go by walk one village to another village. They are going, they will take the message and they will go. Otherwise after that some people they will keep the horse and they will take the horse and they will go to other place to give the message. Or I told you as pigeon they will send the message. Okay, बल्कि डाक की रक्षा भी करनी होती थी. Beginning what they will do, people will go and some important message will be there, lot of food they will do, they will take, and by walk or by horse they will go. So what will happen, it's a big road will be there, hill station will be there, and maybe some daku will be there, thief will be there, they will take their things or some important message they will do. So this all those things they have to save also. So 2-3 people they will go to send the message. आजकल तो संदेश भेजने के नए नए और तेज साधन आसानी से उपलब्ध हो गए हैं. Nowadays to sending the message lot of convenient is there, like for distributing the post or letters, हवाई जहाज, पानी के जहाज एंड जाने कौन कौन से साधन इस्तेमाल किए जा रहे हैं. So now flights are there, navy ship is there. So one country to another country, your letter and other messages, parcels, courier, easily you can send one place to another place. डाक विभाग भी पत्र, मनी ऑर्डर के साथ साथ ईमेल, बधाई कार्ड आदि लोगों तक पहुंचा रहा है. So nowadays this instead of other messages, important messages, money order, email, invitation card, all those things postal department is sending. कबूतरों की उड़ान से लेकर हवाई डाक सेवाओं तक का सफर दिलचस्प करने वाला है. So it is very interesting when messages started to given from pigeon till flights. It is a लॉन्ग जर्नी ऑफ लेटर्स। सोचकर आश्चर्य होता है कि कबूतर जैसा पक्षी संदेश वाहक भी हो सकता है। इट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग। जस्ट पिजन ही कैन बी अ मैसेंजर। कबूतर की कई प्रजातियां होती हैं और ये सभी संदेश लाने ले जाने का काम नहीं कर सकती। लॉट ऑफ different variety of pigeons are there and all pigeon can't be a messenger. They can't give and take the messages. गिरहबाज या हुमर वह प्रजाति है। There are two category of pigeon. One is गिरहबाज and second one हुमर, जिसे प्रशिक्षित करके डाक संदेश भेजने के काम में लाया जाता है। This two type of pigeon only. One is गिरहबाज and second one is humor. They only we can train them and we can use to send message and bring message. आखिर कबूतर अपना रास्ता ढूंढ कैसे लेता है? Okay, how pigeon can search their way? How they know where they have to go and where they have to give the message? उन प्रवासी पक्षियों के बारे में सोचो और पता करो कि वे कैसे सैकड़ों मील का रास्ता और सही जगह तय कर पाते हैं। सो थिंक अबाउट दैट pigeons are other birds, how hundred thousands meals means kilometers they are coming and going, how they know where their house and where they have to go. उड़ीसा पुलिस खास तौर पर होमर कबूतरों का इस्तेमाल राज्य के कई दुर्गम इलाकों में संदेश पहुंचाने के लिए कर रही है। You know, in Odisha police, many places are there where it's not easy to reach. Maybe some hill station or that is too much far from the city. Normal people can't go. So now also in emergency, that special pigeon is there, Humar kabutar, Humar pigeon, they will train them, and nowadays also they are sending messages there, like a military people or some important message they are sending there. And this is a very easy and cheap sending message. In this not a lot of expenditure is there. This pigeon's life will be 15 to 20 years. Okay, their age is 15 to 20 years, and 8 to 10 years they are working very good, because when they will be young they are working very good. स्वस्थ कबूतर एक दिन में 1000 किलोमीटर तक का सफर कर सकता है. A healthy pigeon, Humor is the pigeon na, healthy pigeon, in one day 1000 kilometer he can go. यदि कोई महत्वपूर्ण संदेश पहुंचाना हो तो 2 कबूतरों को भेजा जाता है, ताकि बाज के हमले से जैसी अनहोनी स्थिति में भी दूसरा कबूतर संदेश पहुंचा दे. Sometime one message they are sending by 2 pigeons. Suppose if one pigeon, any kite or vulture, they are harming them, at least one another pigeon they can reach to correct place. In World War time, some pigeons were there, and someone has written in a story, pigeons were there who is sending the message. इस कबूतर की कहानी नेशनल बुक ट्रस्ट में अंग्रेजी में छपी एक किताब में दी गई है. सो वन बुक इज देयर, नेशनल बुक ट्रस्ट, वन इंग्लिश बुक इज देयर, एंड बुक नेम इज देयर ग्रे नेक. इन दैट किताब के हीरो का भी नाम है. ओके, सो इन दैट बुक देयर इज अ हीरो, दैट पिजन इज देयर. ओके, so that pigeon people has used to send message that time also. So if you want to know about that pigeon, what they are saying, you can purchase that book, and that publication name is National Book Trust को पत्र लिखो, वे किताब को हिंदी में भी छापें. And this is the address, नेहरू भवन, 5 इंस्टीट्यूशनल एरिया, फ्रेज 11, बसंत कुंज, Nai Delhi 110070. Okay, so these pigeons also are very important and people has used to send the message. Okay children, now lesson 6 word meaning we will read. Okay, chitti. What is that? Chitti. Chi half ta tha badi ki matra thi. Chitti. Chitti means letter. Chitti means letter. 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 Letter means chitti. Patra. Patra also same letter. Letter. So patra and chitti both are same. Meaning is letter. Sandesh. Sandesh means message. Sandesh means message. Massage. Message. Message means sandesh. Pata. Pata. Pata means address. 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 Address means pata. Everyone is having the address. Your house address will be there. Office address is there. School address is there. That is pata. Jagah. Jagah. Jagah means place. Jagah means place. Which place? Okay. Like Pondicherry. In Pondicherry, what is your area name? So that name is called Jagah. Place. Place. Lifafa. What is lifafa? Envelope. Lifafa means envelope. When you are going in any invitation, marriage function or any birthday, you will take one envelope, you will keep some money in that. That is called envelope. Or letter will come in a envelope. 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 Envelope means lifafa. Gaon. Ga, Chandrabindu, Gaon, wa. Gaon. Gaon means village. 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 Village means gaon. Shahar. Shahar. Shahar means city. 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 City means shahar. Madad. Madad. Madad means help. 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 Help means madad. Kabutar. Kabutar. Kabutar means pigeon. 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 Pakshi. Pakshi. Chhatri cha badi ki matra chi. Pakshi. Pakshi means bird. 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 Bird means pakshi. Dak. Dak. Dak means post. 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 Post means dog. Okay children, so this is your word meaning. You have to read, you have to memorize the meaning, English meaning, and same thing you have to write in your classwork also. Okay. Okay children, now we will go for question and answer. Okay. Write this question answer neat and clean in your classwork because this is not in your book. As you know, this is your NCERT book, very less exercise is there, so I have to make question and answer for you. Okay, so write neat and clean, you will not get in your book. Okay, so shall we start? Good. Question number 1. Question number 1. अगर पत्र में पते के साथ नाम ना हो तो क्या होगा? अगर पत्र में पते के साथ नाम न हो तो क्या होगा? If in your letter address is there but your name is not there, then what will happen? Can you guess? One letter has come, address is there but your name is not there, what will happen? In your area that letter will come, but for whom that letter is there, we don't know. So you will not get your letter. Postman will take it back that letter. Otherwise, he will not send only, just he will discard. Otherwise, he will throw. Or if who has sent the letter, that name will be there, he will send it back, that letter. Because to whom that letter has to give, we don't know. Area name is not enough to send the letter. So answer will be there. पत्र रहने वाले की जगह तो पहुंच जाएगा लेकिन उसको नहीं मिलेगा. That letter will reach that area, but for whom that letter has written, they will not get it. Question number 2. नाम न होने से क्या समस्या आ सकती है? If there is no name, what problem will come? डाकिया को पता नहीं चलेगा कि किसको पत्र देना है. That postman don't know to whom he has to deliver that letter. Okay? चिट्ठी लिखने का क्रम लिखिए. If you are writing a letter, what will be the correct position to write? In which column what will come? What will be series to write a letter? First, what you have to write? When you are writing a letter, on top of the letter, what you have to write? First, to whom you are writing the letter, that name should be. Okay? That person name should be to whom you are writing your letter. Naam. Second one, घर का पता. What is his residence address? Which house he is living? That will be there. Third, गली का नाम means which street he is living. Gully means street. What is the street number and what is the street name? That you have to write. गांव या शहर का नाम. That street, which village or which city that is. Some street will be there. So which city that street is there, that you have to write. जिला का नाम. जिला means district. So that city in which district it's come, that will come. Next, राज्य का नाम. And that district, which state it will come. Because each district is having some state also. Like Tamil Nadu is a state. In Tamil Nadu, lot of district is there. In that district, lot of city is there. In city, street is there. In street, your house is there. In house, who is living, that person name will be there. And last, your area pin code will be there. Okay. So this series you have to write your letter. संचार के कुछ माध्यम बताइए. Write some communication sources. Okay, write some communication sources. How you can communicate nowadays? First, patra. You can write the letter. Telegram. Telegram means in post office. If you go and urgent you want to send some message to, you can go. Some phone facility will be there. You can just like a voice message. Telegram means voice message. You can give the message. You can call them directly, phone, internet, like nowadays Facebook, WhatsApp, chat, lot of social sites is there. In that you can send the message or you can type the message to particular person and you can send it. So this is your lot of sources of communication. This also neat and clean you write in your classwork. Okay children, now we will read one different thing. I hope I remember grade 4 also you people has learned this thing. अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द means for one sentence only one word we are using. That type you remember. Same thing we will learn here also. There are some words is there. Instead of saying that full sentence, we have to say only one word. With that word only we know what is the full sentence. That is one word for a sentence. अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द. For many words, one word. Okay. So read proper this one because this will come in your exam. First one, संगीतज्ञ. 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 What is संगीतज्ञ? संगीत means music. Sangeet means music. Gya means people who know. Gya means gyani, like who know the music. So संगीतज्ञ, who know the music. जिसे संगीत का ज्ञान हो means who know the music. That person is known as a संगीतज्ञ, musician. In English you will say na musician. So in Hindi we will say संगीतज्ञ. So in exam how it will come? Maybe it will be written there जिसे संगीत का ज्ञान हो. One word you have to write संगीतज्ञ. Okay. संगीत is here, ज्ञान is here. You will join and it will come Sangeetagya. Okay. Second one, Pustakalay. Pustak means book. Pustak means book. Alay means house. Alay means house. जहाँ पुस्तकों का संग्रह हो, where lot of book is there, like a library. So library in Hindi we will say pustakalay. Library in Hindi we will say pustakalay because that is the house of books. Lot of books are living there. So जहाँ पुस्तकों का संग्रह हो, पुस्तकालय. पुस्तक already is there. Alay you have to put. Darapok. Darpok. Darpok means timid. Darpok means timid. Who's scared? जो बहुत डरता हो. Some person is too much scared for everything. They scared. I will not do this thing. This will happen. This will happen. For everything who is scared too much, that is called darpok. जो बहुत डरता हो, डरपोक. वाचाल. वाचाल जो बहुत बोलता हो. Some person are talking too much unnecessary. They will just talk, without any reason. Just they will talk. That type of people we will say वाचाल. वाचाल जो बहुत बोलता हो, वाचाल. That you have to memorize. सर्वज्ञ. Half ra is on top. सर्वज्ञ जो सब कुछ जानता हो. A person who know everything. A person who know everything, that is known as a sarvagya. Sarv means everything, gya means knowing, knowledge. Okay, so who is having everything knowledge, that is sarvagya. अज्ञानी जिसे कोई ज्ञान ना हो. A person who don't know anything. A person who don't know anything, he don't have any knowledge, that is called अज्ञानी. So ज्ञानी means a person who know lot of things. All put it's become negative opposite. अज्ञानी. अज्ञानी means जिसे कोई ज्ञान न हो. अज्ञानी. संग्रहालय. संग्रहालय जहाँ वस्तुओं का संग्रह हो. A place where lot of things is collecting together, unique things, that is called संग्रहालय. संग्रहालय means you know what is that? In English, museum. Museum, you know, in museum lot of things will be there na, different type of unique things, that is संग्रहालय. So जहाँ वस्तुओं का संग्रह हो, संग्रहालय. So this you have to read, children, carefully because it will come in your exam. What is your assignment? Classwork. Read and write word meaning. I taught you. Question answer already I taught you, that you have to write in your classwork. One word sentence. This one word sentence you have to read and write in your classwork. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.